Well, good morning, and we got a little job today. My CrossFit gym is going to be in our little local Mardi Gras parade because down here in South Louisiana, Mardi Gras is, well, a state holiday, effectively. They take it serious. But the little trailer we're using, one of the young ladies at the gym had it. It's pretty cool. It's 14 foot. It's got like walls all the way around it. And so we got it all decked out, and I'm going to tote it down to the parade tomorrow. But the jack's all farkled up. Yeah, we got it. It just doesn't work. And so she was going to pay somebody to put a new one on it. And it's welded, but it looks like if I can... I don't think it's not welded underneath. It's just a crappy torch cut hole. I don't know what is these guys with torches. But I'm going to go get my grinder wheels and cut these welds and pop it off of there, and I think I can replace that for about 50 bucks. So she's already got a caster for it, so we can continue using that. We don't go buy a new one of those because that's decent. And yeah, so we'll get this piece of junk cut off of here and get a new one, mark a few holes, drill some holes, and bolt her on. That should take care of it. Alright, so we got a little bit cutting done. I think we got to do some more. But we're going to try to beat on it a little bit. See if she wants to come apart. I doubt it yet. Yeah, got a little more cutting to do. Alright, back in a minute. Okay. Yeah. Garbage. In the middle pile. Yeah, wasn't too bad. They welded it in one of the bolt holes, so I'll have to cut that off. Otherwise, I think that's pretty good. God, does nobody know how to use a torch? Jeez. We'll finish cutting this off, grind all this down, and we should be good shape. And looks like I have not set the float on fire, which is good. A little bit of damage to the tarp, but nothing major. So finish cutting this off and clean all of this up, paint it, and we will be ready to procure and install a new one. Alright, got her all ground down. Give her a little bit of a quick rattle can. Keep it from rusting. Good enough. That thing's kind of handy, but those batteries don't last very long. So I had to revert back to the old 40-year-old power grinder. Yeah, so now we just got to go get ourselves a new jack, drill some holes, and bolt her on. Alright, so they didn't quite have the one that I wanted, so I ended up getting a little bit bigger one because they did have it. 5,000 pounds, which is more than adequate. It's a bit taller than the other one, but I think it's going to work. And regardless, the holes I drill will work for any of these. So I think that's going to be no issue at all, although it does not appear to have come with any bolts. So I'll have to crap some. In worst case, they can just get one of those little feet on it, and that'll knock some significant height out of it for that. Should not be a problem. So, alright, well I'm going to go get my marking pen, mark that up, start drilling some holes after I find some fasteners. Alright, got the holes drilled. 23/64 seems to be the right size. Get that on there. I found 3 honking self-tappers from that Cummins Onan generator with the 460 Ford with the turbo on it that I salvaged. Always save extra fasteners, you know. Never know when you're gonna need them. Until they strip out. Yep, okay. I guess we're gonna have to through bolt it. That's okay. Yeah, it didn't like that. Alright, well, we'll go find something else. Alright, well, that was a bit of a faff, but got enough 30 years worth of junk. You can find fasteners. So now she's all in. Everything works. And should be good. I can't put the wheel on until I get this thing out of here tomorrow because it's a little snug. But we're in good shape. So I'm going to set that down off the jack and get this mess cleaned up and we're done. There it is. Changing out a welded on trailer jack for a bolted. Hope you're all having a good day. Take care.